Starting a garden and wondering where to begin with your toolkit. Embarking on your gardening journey can be incredibly exciting, but knowing which tools to start with can feel overwhelming. In this guide, we take you through the top 20 essential gardening tools every gardener needs to know. From hand trowels to garden hoes and spades, we've got you covered, ensuring your journey into the world of gardening is a smooth one. Discover the uses and benefits of each tool and find out why they are an absolute necessity for your garden. 1. Hand trowel. A gardener's best friend, the hand trowel is a compact, sturdy tool that can take on numerous garden tasks. With a typically pointed, scoop-shaped metal blade and a comfortable handle, it is the perfect tool for precision tasks. From transplanting seedlings to making small holes for planting bulbs, or even removing stubborn weeds, the hand trowel is a must-have for every gardener. 2. Pruners or secateurs. Pruners are essential for keeping your plants looking neat and healthy. They're designed to provide clean, close cuts on live wood and green stems up to an inch thick. This enables you to easily cut back overgrown plants, prune ornamental trees and shrubs, or even harvest fruit and vegetables. Always keep the blade sharp to ensure a clean cut that reduces damage to the plant. 3. Gardening fork. Also known as a digging fork, this tool has a similar appearance to your dinner fork, albeit much larger and sturdier. It's equipped with thick, flat tines that can pierce dense soil with ease, making it ideal for breaking up hard soil, mixing compost or manure into your beds, or lifting and moving compacted plants. The gardening fork is a necessary tool for soil preparation. 4. Garden hoe. The garden hoe is a simple yet powerful tool. Featuring a long handle topped with a perpendicular blade, it allows you to shape soil, create furrows for planting, and remove weeds. By using a push or pull motion, you can also clear a large area of weeds quickly. The hoe is excellent for maintaining both the aesthetic and health of your garden. 5. Watering can. No garden can thrive without water, and a watering can is a great tool for delivering hydration where it's most needed. A high-quality watering can with a removable rose allows you to control the flow of water, delivering either a soft shower suitable for young seedlings or a steadier flow for established plants. Its portability makes it ideal for tending to indoor plants or outdoor plants that aren't reachable by a hose. 6. Garden gloves. Gardening can be a rough job on your hands. A pair of high-quality gardening gloves will protect your hands from thorny plants, abrasive soil, and the general wear and tear of outdoor work. Look for gloves made from durable materials that are resistant to punctures and moisture, but still allow for flexibility and dexterity. 7. Garden rake. This tool is an indispensable part of any gardener's tool shed. It's designed to help you gather leaves, grass clippings, and other garden debris. The rake is also a great tool for preparing your garden bed, as it can break up clumps of soil and help create a level surface for planting. 8. Spade. A spade is a gardener's heavy-duty digging tool. Unlike a shovel, a spade has a flat blade, great for slicing through sod or creating sharp, flat-sided holes. It can also be used for edging garden beds, cutting roots, or transferring small amounts of dirt from one area to another. 9. Garden shears. Sometimes called hedge trimmers, garden shears are like an oversized pair of scissors, designed for cutting back perennials, grasses, and small shrubs. They can be used to shape hedges and prune hard-to-reach branches. 10. Lawnmower. If you have a large lawn area, a lawnmower is a necessity. These come in various types, such as push, electric, or gas-powered models. The mower ensures a consistent cut across your lawn, helping to keep it neat and tidy. 11. Wheelbarrow. A wheelbarrow is a practical and versatile tool for any gardener. It's designed to transport heavy or bulky loads like soil, compost, garden waste, or even plants across your garden. A sturdy wheelbarrow will save you from heavy lifting and many trips back and forth, saving time and energy. 12. Garden hose. With adjustable nozzle. For gardeners dealing with larger spaces, a garden hose is essential. It enables you to water your garden efficiently, reaching far corners and targeted areas with ease. An adjustable nozzle allows you to control the water's pressure, ensuring that delicate plants aren't hit with a strong flow while larger plants receive a thorough watering. 13. Soil knife. Also known as a hori-hori, Japanese for dig-dig, a soil knife is a multi-purpose tool. Its sharp, serrated edge is perfect for slicing through roots, dividing plants, planting bulbs, and removing weeds. It often includes a measuring device for bulb planting, making it a handy tool for various gardening tasks. 14. Kneeling pad. Gardening often involves a lot of kneeling, which can be tough on your knees. A durable, water-resistant kneeling pad can provide relief. Look for a pad with a handle for easy transport and storage. Some pads even come with extended panels to protect your legs from muddy and wet conditions. 15. Garden sprayer. This tool is essential for applying liquid fertilizers, pesticides, or herbicides to your plants. With adjustable settings, the sprayer ensures even coverage and allows you to reach under leaves where pests often hide. Some sprayers come with a backpack design, making it easy to carry around larger gardens. 16. Weed puller. This long-handled tool allows you to remove weeds from your garden without stooping or bending. It features a claw or spear-like end that goes into the ground, pulls out the weed, roots and all, then ejects it into a pile for disposal, minimizing the chance of weed regrowth. 17. Plant markers. Plant markers are a great way to keep track of what you've planted and where. They're especially handy when sowing seeds as they can help prevent mix-ups and ensure you provide the correct care for each plant. Markers can be simple plastic tags or more decorative options that add flair to your garden. 18. Loppers. When dealing with thick branches or pruning at a distance, loppers are your best bet. These long-handled tools have sharp blades that can cut through branches up to 2 inches in diameter. The long handles give you leverage, making cutting easier and allow you to reach higher branches. 19. Garden cart or trolley. Similar to a wheelbarrow, a garden cart or trolley is an excellent tool for transporting heavy loads across your garden. They often come with 4 wheels and a flatbed or basket design, making them more stable than wheelbarrows. They can carry soil, compost, tools, and even potted plants, reducing the strain on your back. 20. Gardening hat. A good gardening hat is an essential tool to protect you from the sun's harsh rays. It should be wide-brimmed to shade your face, ears, and neck. Look for one made of breathable material that will keep you cool while working in the sun. Plus, it helps you see your plants better without squinting. Remember, the secret to successful gardening lies not just in the right techniques, but also in using the right tools. Start with these basic gardening tools for beginners, and you'll be well on your way to cultivating a lush, vibrant garden. From tending to your plants with a hand trowel and pruners, to maintaining the overall garden with a rake, lawnmower, and garden cart, each of these tools serves a unique purpose. As you embark on your gardening journey, you'll soon learn which tools you reach for most often. Having the right tools can make all the difference in creating a garden that's not only beautiful and productive, but also a joy to work in. What's your favorite gardening tool and why? Or do you have a gardening tool that you couldn't live without that we didn't include in this list? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!